Hello everyone, welcome to this audiovisual class. Today I am going to explain you about the articles. The is a type of definite article. Definite means which represent surety, certainty, specific location. It is used before countable nouns. It is not affected by the sound of vowels or consonants. Article the is not used. So, first of all, I am going to explain you about the places where there is no need of using the article. Before the names of festivals, I am going to celebrate the Deepavali. This is incorrect sentence. We are considered not to use any article, not to use the article before the names of festivals. So the correct is I am going to celebrate Deepavali. Second, rule number 2. Before the names of sports, we need not to use any articles. I like playing the hockey. This sentence is incorrect. I like playing hockey is correct one. Rule number 3. Before the names of family relationship, we need not to use any articles. The mother is cooking food. Incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is mother is cooking food. The article is omitted. The article is removed. Rule number 4. Before the names of materials, we cannot use the article before the names of materials. How are the sugar and the oil formed? This is incorrect sentence. How are sugar and oil formed? This is the correct sentence. Rule number 5. Before the names of subjects, English, Hindi, Math, Science, we need not to use any articles. The English is my favorite subject. It is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is English is my favorite subject. Rule number 6. Before the names of language, we should not use any articles before the names of languages. Do you know the Bengali and the Punjabi? This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is do you know Bengali and Punjabi? Before proper nouns, we are not allowed to use the article before proper nouns. The Rajesh is making noise. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is Rajesh is making noise. The article is omitted and sentence is corrected. He will leave for the Mumbai on the Monday. This is incorrect sentence because Mumbai and Monday, these two are proper nouns. We are not supposed to use any articles before proper nouns. So the correct sentence is he will leave for Mumbai on Monday. Next, rule number 8. Before the names of body parts and clothes, we are supposed not to use any articles before the names of our body parts or clothes. Where are the pants and the shirts? Incorrect sentence. Absolutely wrong sentence. The correct sentence is where are pants and shirts? Do not touch the mouth and the nose frequently. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is do not touch mouth and nose frequently, or do not touch your mouth and nose again and again. This is correct sentence. Next rule. Before certain phrase or idiomatic expressions in general case, we do not use articles like that. Go to the school. This is incorrect. The correct is go to school. By the bus. This is incorrect. The correct is by bus. On the foot. This is incorrect. Wrong. The correct is on foot. On general case, we are using these articles. I am going for the breakfast. I am going for the dinner. This is incorrect. The correct is I am going for the break. I am going for breakfast. I am going for dinner. At dinner. So at dinner is correct, at the dinner is incorrect. Okay. Next is homework. So dear all, you can pause the video and you can write all questions, you can write all answers, and then you can mail to me. The Holi is the festival of colors. So you will do the correction in this sentence. These sentences are incorrect. How you will do correction? By omitting the articles. The shop is opened by the father. There is one incorrect word. You need to omit that word. She played the volleyball very well. You will correct this sentence. The hands and the legs are unconscious. You will correct this sentence. I like the science and the Hindi. You will correct this sentence. I go to the school by bus. This sentence is also incorrect. Whatever you had learned in the previous modules, you will use that information and then you will correct these sentences. Thank you very much.